He won the fight against Brandon Rios after his heartbreaking loss last year. Let us hear the details from Yana, our favorite lady jock.
Hi there, sports fans! Yana Dormitorio here once again, your favorite lady jock. I'm back with loads of exciting news from the sports planet. Last week, we witnessed a treat courtesy from our Mr. Pac-Man. Real fighters may lose, but they never quit. I think this is how I see our very own Manny Pacquiao when he rose up like a phoenix from the ashes of a devastating knockout loss to Juan Manuel Marquez last year. There was no doubt in everyone's mind that Pacquiao is back after he beat the much younger and bigger Brandon Rios via unanimous decision last Sunday right here in Asia. What better message can Pacquiao send to everyone than by example, rising 6 feet above one's weakness? And now, Pacquiao wants us Filipinos to do the same. How original, how heroic, don't you think? And as a classic case of being true and original, football icon David Beckham vowed to be at ringside on Sunday rooting for Manny Pacquiao. Beckham, who was personally in the world's gambling capital, graced the announcement of the Asian partnership with the Sands and at the same time support Manny, being a self-confessed Pacquiao fan. Beckham, who retired from football in the middle of this year, was happy for Pacquiao's victory, which also served to uplift the spirits of Filipino people devastated by Super Typhoon Yolanda. Sometimes, just as we think that athletes are all muscle, strength, and determination, we have to also see them as humans like us, with feelings, with compassion, and with love. To Manny Pacquiao and David Beckham, both my personal idols, I salute you. And hey, my time is up. I still have to do other things as usual. Need to do some exercises to keep me fit, and I hope you do the same. That's it for now, sports fans. See you around next week. Take care. Bye!